Okay. Hey guys, I wanted to show you my antique padlock that I got from, what was the catalog called? Sorry, I don't remember the catalog, but I can go in my bookshelf and find it. But this padlock weighs about 1 pound. It's made out of cast iron. It has a pretty big keyhole, as you can see. Very big keyhole. It opens exactly like my antique handcuffs do, like my Chicago 1525. It opens with a screw key. And the screw key is right here. It keeps slipping on me. Antique key is right there. There's a little screw inside of it. If you can, well, it has a screw piece where the screw goes inside of it. Wait, wrong side. You probably can't see it in there, but you can barely see it. You can barely see it in there. Not really, but you kind of can see it, but that's it. And the steel is pretty thick. It's real cast iron. It's not like the cheap crap. I got it for like $45 or something like that. And the steel is pretty thick. This is not hollow. It's real steel. All you gotta do is put the key in to open it and just turn it. When you turn it, sorry, I gotta put it down for a second. It will just open up. There's a little bolt there to open it. Now I'm gonna try to show you the bolt inside. Can't really see it, sorry. I was kind of hoping that you guys would be able to see it. Just put the key in, turn it like so. As soon as you do, you'll be able to open it. Then it'll just close. Take the key, turn it, and it'll come out and open. Oh, dang it, it didn't close. I hate when that happens. Like, it'll act like it closed, but it really didn't. So keep turning. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I just got done watching Finding Nemo with my sister. She's 2.5. She loves that movie. I think it's kind of annoying, that little blue fish, but whatever. She likes it. You can barely see it. I think the inside of the key looks pretty cool, but without the video, you can see it pretty good. But I hope you liked that video of my... Why did this ring make that sound? This made a lot of click sound. I hope you like my cast iron handcuffs. I really like locks and all of the fun stuff. I like playing with padlocks. I like picking them, which is not very easy. I like picking handcuffs. I haven't been able to pick my Darby non-adjustable handcuffs, but I'm still trying because this one guy on YouTube, he made a video of him picking with a pen holder, but mine does not have a little bolt inside, so the key is not like this, because that's how his opens, like that, with the key like this. Mine is just like a normal screw, where I can't open it like that. So I'll have to get a very big screw to get that to work. But my other handcuffs, which I turned into like shackles of really long chains, and they're adjustable, but they're pretty cheap. I don't like them very much. But I hope you like that video. I gotta go. See ya, bye.